I am Martin Dew, Digital Solutions Director at AutoWeb Design. I'm here with David Levitt, our Head of Digital Marketing, for an unscripted chat about the latest core Google algorithm update and how that's impacted on automotive retailers. So, David, I suppose, what are your observations? How have retailers been impacted here?
For us, it hasn't really been that much of an impact, to be fair. In truth, we've done quite well out this update, so right. Yeah, it hasn't so far been an issue.
I mean, I saw a report that indicated that automotive was one of the markets where visibility has been, there's been some volatility down, and I think we've certainly seen with some websites, not our clients necessarily, there has been some. So I suppose that what's the takeaway? What's our approach? What should automotive retailers be looking at now in-house and with their agency to address it?
You're right in terms of automotive. So it's at the top 10, 6th or 7th, I think, in terms over the years, has historically always been there. So our take on the update is, and this is the tricky thing with the core updates, is you don't actually know what Google are releasing. You can take a good stab based on experience. So our take on it so far is it boils down to visibility. So understanding what your competitors are doing, understanding where they are in terms of you for overall market visibility, having a good website in terms of semantic content. Content is still king. So a well-structured website, good engaging content, something that separates you from your competitors. So what Google are looking for is thought leadership. So if you have content that is engaging for your customers, is informational and concise, then
so it's quite dull, but it comes back to the same thing of do the right things.
Yeah, it is. SEO has always been a bit of a box ticking exercise, but this now you have to think a little bit more outside the box in terms of how creative you need to be. So leaving the same old thing on a website isn't going to work for you long term. If your content is, you mentioned there about dull, it shouldn't be dull. It should be informational. You need engagement from people. And Google reads this.
So going forward then, in terms of ongoing updates from search engines, our advice to car dealers?
Work with your agencies. Understand what your competitors are doing. If your agency doesn't know what your competitors are doing, I'd probably suggest looking around for a different agent. But agencies should understand what the market is doing, what particular silos are doing within that industry, how they're likely to be affected, and more than anything, you need to be proactive with this. You cannot wait to be impacted and then start putting corrective measures in place. No. Which is why we've done quite well with the core algorithm update so far.
Right, great. Well, thanks a lot, David.
No, it's